The question of how to preserve meat is as old as cooking itself. You can dry it, salt cure it, smoke it, boil it, and immerse it in fat. Or you can, as in this ancient Roman recipe, boil and immerse it in a pickle made from mustard, vinegar, salt, and honey, which serves at the same time as a tasty marinade. Ancient Roman gourmet Apicius recommends it for pork or beef belly or for boiled trotters. Here I'm preparing it with boiled and sliced pork belly, using homemade mustard and a mild, equally homemade apple vinegar. We ate the meat, grilled or fried, 1 week later and it was delicious. If you make sure that the meat is completely immersed in the mustard vinegar mix, it can safely stay for up to 3 weeks without problems. We prepared it in a burger-like style with wild mustard leaves and onions. Lentils would be a more classic option.